Hi, I'm Kelly and I'm an agriculture educator here at Green Acres.
And I'm Manti.
On the farm, you can always find different examples of animals in different stages of their life cycle. And a life cycle is just a series of changes that an organism goes through during its life.
Oh, right. For most organisms, a life cycle follows the pattern of starting from a seed or an egg and growing up and becoming an adult, reproducing, and then the cycle starts over again. Whether it's a new lamb being born or a plant growing until it's ready to be harvested, the farm is full of great examples of different life cycles.
Behind me, you can see some sheep. And our sheep have an interesting life cycle. Based on their gender, their age, they have a different name for each stage.
Oh, like the little ones. Baby sheep are called lambs. Once they grow up and become an adult, their name depends on if they're a boy or a girl. Adult females are called ewes, spelled with an E. Adult males are called rams. Some of our sheep are used to reproduce and have lambs of their own. Others are raised for meat production, to provide nutritious food for us to eat. And each one has a tag in its ear so our farmers can easily identify the sheep and which year it was born, based all on the color. Aren't they so cool?
That's really interesting. And yeah, I could spend all day observing our lambs. But let's check out a different place of the farm and see if we can see another example of an organism in its life cycle. We are now in our greenhouse. Manti, look at this. This is a really important building that we have on the farm that lets us grow plants all year long.
Oh, I know. I think I'm wrapped up in a plant's life cycle right now. Tomatoes starts out as seeds and then grow into mature adult plants. And then eventually they produce flowers and fruits with seeds in it. Then the whole cycle can start over again. This plant here is getting really big. If I look a little closer, I can see some evidence of different stages in this plant's life cycle. Here are the flowers of the plant, and here is the fruit. Soon this tomato will turn red. Inside of the fruit are seeds that, if I planted, may someday grow into another tomato plant and continue the plant's life cycle. I think I might give it a try. Lots of people tell me I have a green thumb.
That's awesome. So we've seen just a couple examples of life cycles today on our farm, but I want you to go out, see if you can find an organism and determine what stage of its life cycle it is in. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time here at Green Acres.